Well, good morning, y'all. Welcome to Kimmy's Real Adventures and stuff. Today I'm going to do a few product reviews, give my opinion, maybe a little promotion there. Anyway, the first product I am wanting to speak about is Speckaloos cookies from Trader Joe's. They are very good. They're crisp, caramelized, cinnamon spiced Belgian cookies. And they're very good for snacking, along with the other things that I'm going to show you. They're very tasty. And what they are, very good cookies. And they're good for dipping in your coffee. So let me give this a try. It's very good with the coffee. It's almost as good as dipping biscotti in your coffee. These are just as good. And you can, excuse me, you can find these at Trader Joe's, which is one of the best markets for more natural type products. Trader Joe's is my favorite as far as that goes. Then second favorite would be Sprouts, and then Whole Foods, which is just a wee bit pricey. But Speckaloos is very good. They used to have a dark chocolate candy bar with this in it, but they discontinued it. Why is it? This could go out for Trader Joe's. Why do you discontinue stuff that is really good? You get hooked on something, they discontinue it. That's annoying. And let's see. There's only 140 calories per serving. And let's see here. And there's only 10 grams of sugar per cookie. So check it out. It's really good, especially if you're a coffee drinker or a late night snacker like me. I snack on everything. Another product from Trader Joe's I'd like to give an opinion on is called Mochi. I have strawberry here. And with this is strawberry ice cream surrounded by sweet rice dough, which is very yummy. And they're nutritional. It's only 80 calories per piece, 10 milligrams of sodium, and 9 grams of sugar. And it comes in green tea and vanilla as well, but strawberry's my favorite. So let's try this out. This was introduced to me through a friend's video. So go check out her video as well. It's called Da Poorhouse, DAPOHOUSE. Click like and subscribe to her channel as well as mine. See? Strawberry, very tasty. Very cold. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Next, and the texture is very good, a lot of strawberry flavor. Yes, that one's definitely my favorite. Then I'll have to go with the green tea and then the vanilla. Oop, kind of messy. So let me put this aside for right now. Now, also, I also prefer Aldi markets, because they have the best avocados, in my opinion. But when I was at Aldi yesterday, I also saw that they had Mochi. And theirs is called My Mochi, and this is cookies and cream. And the total calories is 630 per container and 100 calories per mochi. And the total sugars for this 13 grams. That's a little bit more for the cookies and cream. I thought it was chocolate chip cookie dough. I guess I read that wrong. So let's open this up and have a taste of what the cookies and cream are like. I got a whole bunch of stuff here. How do you open these suckers? They don't make it easy. Cookies and cream. Ooh, and this one has like a powdered sugar covering. That should be interesting. Let's try it. Very tasty on the cookies and cream, and it definitely tastes like cookies and cream. Oh, I like that. Good texture, right amount of sweetness, and so goes with the strawberry mochi from Trader Joe's. A lot of strawberry flavor. Okay, the next one, my mochi from Aldi, sweet mango. They don't make it easy for you to open it, as I've already stated. Oh, and the same kind of container. Wonderful. Ignore my complaining. It's like they don't want you to get into it. And here we go. We got the sweet mango. Looks like it's covered in powdered sugar as well. And it's the same calories, 600 calories per package, 100 per mochi. And 13 grams of sugar. Sweet mango is good. This is very good. Ooh, powdered sugar. A lot of mango flavor, good texture. So, next time you go into Aldi or Trader Joe's, check out the mochi. They're very good if you have a sweet tooth. Sweet mango, cookies and cream. Trader Joe's, strawberry. Oh, also, Aldi, my mochi also had a strawberry, but I stuck with the Trader Joe's. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. The more subscribers I get, the more encouraged I would be to make more videos and more content. So, have a very good day and see ya!